Well, here I am. Got a couple of scrap pieces of T111. I am going to basically make a two-walled barrier. Well, I think I'll put a roof on it, so to speak. But something to just dampen the sound of this or my other generator. So here's the material. Literally, this is like one of the things that they set loads of my material down on. Keep it off the ground, so that's a freebie, so to speak, kind of, sort of. Spare T111. This is Rockwool. Just all the spares or whatever, so I'm going to do like a couple inch thickness on both walls. And here, I'll be using, 20 gauge, 2 feet tall, 50 feet long. I've always referred to it as chicken wire. You know, like that people put on their grills with their body kits on their 110 horsepower front wheel drive job and put a wing on it and think they're fast, you know, that stuff. So there it is. Insulation, scrap material, and well, we'll see what I whip up. We'll see how effective it is. Actually, speaking of actually, let's just fire this thing up real quick. 'Cause it's, you know, how about you do that one? So yeah, that, even out there with the door closed, that's loud. It gets really old, drowns you out. So I'm hoping the insulation will do a significant decrease in volume. Oh, cool. So there's the difference, and that's just a two-sided wall with that just resting on the top. Thought about doing a third wall as the roof, but I'm just so worried about how heavy it's going to get, especially if I don't treat it. I mean, that's just crap I had laying around that's already half waterlogged. But that's still a significant difference. I mean, I'll probably trim this up and like make it fit and put some weight on it or something just so it doesn't blow away. But so, it's not fantastic, but it's something. And for curiosity, excuse the lighting, it's going to get horrible for a second. Wow. That's incredibly different.